be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would've.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now this shoe, let's bring it on in. If I can grab this box. This box comes from Sneaker Politics. Alright, now this is a shoe, let me grab the phone, that releases this, I want to say it's next week, on the Sneakers app. I want to say it is the 17th. Okay, so this shoe actually releases on May the 19th on the Sneakers app, but there were a few sneaker boutiques that got the shoes a little bit early, such as Sneaker Politics, and you know, there's a few other ones out there that I saw online. Kith had them early. So I saw them and I said, you know what? Get the guaranteed pair. There's no guarantee that you will hit on the Sneakers app. So get the guaranteed pair right now. So that's what I did. So let's go ahead and get into these, man. I am excited to have these in my collection and bring this to you. Yes, sir. Boom. Ooh, there it is. Oh, some extra stuff. What we got in here before we bring out what's in the box? Okay, they gave me a Sneaker Politics sticker there. All right, got a sticker in the box. Put that to the side. And then what is this right here? Another sticker. Another Sneaker Politics sticker. Put that one to the side. And this right here is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. Man, I feel like I haven't said that in forever. Because usually there's not any receipts in the boxes anymore. But you all know, Big Roth, proud member of the Bron gang. Alright, let's go ahead and bring these out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yet another sticker. Man, they went crazy with the stickers. Here's another Sneaker Politics sticker. Alright, so let's put that to the side. Get the box out of here. Boom. Alright, now these are the Nike Lebron 9 Low. Colorway is white, lime, bright mango. Alright, and I went with a size 14 in these. Now, I know with the Lebron 9 regular version, the high tops, I go with a size up. I go with the size 15 in these, but that's because these fit a little snug in a 14. I can fit a 14, but the more comfortable fit in the Lebron 9 is to go up to a 15. Alright, so that's what I do with those. But on the low tops fit fine in a 14. They fit perfectly fine in the size 14. So boom, you see the Lebron on the side, Nike on the box. I just show you all this so you can know what you're looking for when you get a pair, and hopefully you don't get stock X'd. You don't get stock X'd and get a fake pair. Alright, authentic pairs around here. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into them. I waited to unbox them. I wanted to see them. I wanted to do this live on camera, man. I wanted to wait it out. Whew. Alright. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Ooh, yeah. Yes, sir. Whew. Last shoe first, baby. Woo, woo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The original Lebronald Palmer. The original. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like these a lot. I like these a lot. Yes, sir. The LeBron 9 Low. Lebronald Palmers. Alright. You see the LeBron signature on the tongue. Alright, you got your palm trees and everything going around here. Nice relaxing vibes with this shoe. Got the palm trees going all around. The yellow on the upper, green on the midsole here. Nice air unit with the orange hits. And then on the back you got your gold LeBron plate there. You can see that. And it has the LeBron dots there. There's 6 of them. I believe, yeah, for when LeBron was in Miami, his time in Miami. LeBron logo there on the bottom, on the end of the laces there. LeBron logo on the bottom of the shoe with the orange and the yellow with the green logo. You see that logo is what's on my shirt here. Man, very nice. Very nice. So glad to have these. Let's go ahead and take out the shoe tree. Anything on the laces? Nothing. No writing on the laces. Take out that paper. The way that the bottoms look, they almost look like they glow in the dark. I wonder. Well, what do you know? They glow in the dark. I never knew. I had no idea that they glow in the dark. That is pretty cool, man. Look at that. Bam. Now we got the bottoms there. Man, that is awesome. I kind of felt like they did. But man, look at that. That makes this shoe even cooler now. A little glow in the dark action. These are dope, man. Very nice. Very nice. And the reason that they call these the Lebronald Palmers, you look in there. Boom. You see that lemonade, that half lemonade, half iced tea. This is LeBron's favorite drink from what I'm to understand. It's also one of mine. It's also one of mine. I do love a good Arnold Palmer. When I lived in Colorado, they had a strawberry lemonade and iced tea. It was delicious. The strawberry Arnold Palmer, oh man, it was great. But anyway, yeah, these are nice. I wanted to bring out the previous versions of the shoe that I have so I could do a comparison here. This one is the LeBron 12. Alright, LeBron 12 Low Arnold Palmer. Alright. I really want to remove the covering on these, because then you can see the stuff underneath. You can see the design. I'm going to pull it down a little bit. You can see the design there if you get rid of the extra skin that's on this shoe. If you don't know what I'm talking about here, Hess Kicks did a video where he removed this extra covering and you just see what looks like this design on this shoe. It looks great. It looks outstanding. I just know that I'm not that good with cutting things like that, and it wouldn't look as great as his did. But man, I wish I could just send him this pair and have him do it for me, because that looked amazing. But as far as everything else goes, if they just removed the covering, these would be a true, you know, a true version of this shoe. This is the 9, this is the 12, so this is based off of this. But man, I just wish they would have just take that off. Just take that extra skin there off. You hit it over that park, out the park with everything else. Just take that out of there. Alright, so you got the 9 and the 12. And last year, with the LeBron 18, they released a version as well. And that was these. The LeBron 18 Arnold Palmer. Alright, same thing on the inside. You got your cup of Arnold Palmer there. Boom. This almost looks like it's a combination of the two. This one is kind of a combination of both. Alright. All 3 in a row for you there. Very nice, man. Glad to have another Arnold Palmer in the collection. Which one between the two, of the 12 and the 18, do you think is more true to the 9? Which one do you think is more true to the 9? I kind of think the 18, as far as the aesthetics and the air unit and the green that goes around, I kind of feel like that is more true to the 9. But if you could get rid of the skin on top of this 12, this would be, man, it'd be really close. It'd be really close. But you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, here we are on feet with these bad boys. LeBron 9, Lebronald Palmer, LeBron low. LeBron 9 low, Lebronald Palmers. Yes, sir. Now, for size reference, I went with a size 14. You can see right there, wiggling the big toe. The edge of my big toe is about right there. The width on these is comfortable. I have no complaints with the lows. I have no complaints. Do not need to go up a size or anything. I could not wear, I don't think I could wear 13 and a half in these. The 14 is the perfect fit on these shoes. Alright, can't go down, don't need to go up. 14 is the perfect. So 14 for me is a half size up. So if anything, I would recommend that, but you don't need to go up like I do, a full size to a 15. You know, these are comfortable. So let's go ahead and get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Man, these are definitely dope. Easily one of the shoes that I saw that when they were releasing, I said I'm gonna have to have these. I'm gonna have to have these. Definitely a dope pair. They are still available in some locations. Sneaker Politics still has some. I want to say Kith still has some. Concept Sneakers just look around on some of the sneaker boutiques and you might be able to find them. But the official release date for this shoe is May the 19th, when they will be available on the Sneakers app. Alright, so if you are interested in these, I would recommend going ahead and picking up a pair. Very nice, very nice. Oh, that's not the left shoe. There it is. Very nice. The trifecta. The trifecta of the Lebronald Palmers. Leave a comment below. Let me know which ones that you guys think are the best. The 12s, the 11s, or the originals, the LeBron 9 lows. Let me know which one of the three that you guys are feeling the most. Alright, but that's gonna do it on these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.